In this tutorial, I'll show you how to import NinjaTrader 8 add-on. By the end, you'll have a NinjaScript add-on installed from a zip file and know exactly where to find it inside NinjaTrader 8. First, from the Control Center, go to the top menu and click Tools. Hover over Import, then click NinjaScript Add-on. This opens a file browser so you can choose the add-on package. Next, in the File window, navigate to the zip file for the add-on you want to install. Do not unzip it. NinjaTrader imports the zip directly. Click the file once to select it, then click Open or Import to begin. Now confirm the installation. If you're prompted with a warning about replacing files, click No. This keeps your existing scripts unchanged and prevents accidental overwrites. The import will continue normally. Wait a moment for the process to finish. You'll see the confirmation message. NinjaTrader successfully imported all scripts. Once that appears, restart the platform to finalize the installation. Close NinjaTrader 8 and reopen it. Restarting reloads the compiled scripts so the add-on is fully available. After the restart, access the add-on. Depending on what you installed, you'll typically find it in one of three places. If it's an indicator, open your chart tools and check the indicators list. If it's a strategy, open the Strategies section. If the add-on creates its own category, look for a new menu item or panel labeled by the developer. The exact location depends on the type of tool, but it will appear in Indicators, Strategies, or a new dedicated menu category. At this point, the NinjaTrader 8 add-on import is complete, and your new tool is installed and ready to use. So for more step-by-step tutorials like this, subscribe and check out the other guides available on the channel.